Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the molecule. The structure shown is morpholine, a 6-membered saturated heterocyclic ring containing one oxygen atom and one nitrogen atom bearing one hydrogen, NH, with 4 CH2 groups. Moving on to the next step. Count lone pairs on each heteroatom. Oxygen atom in the ring, oxygen has 6 valence electrons. It forms 2 single bonds to 2 carbon atoms using 2 electrons in bonding. Remaining electrons is equal to 6 minus 2 equals 4 electrons is equal to 2 lone pairs. Nitrogen atom, NH, in the ring, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. It forms 3 bonds, 2 CN bonds and 1 NH bond, using 3 electrons in bonding. Remaining electrons is equal to 5 minus 3 equals 2 electrons is equal to 1 lone pair. Moving on to the next step. Sum the lone pairs. Oxygen, 2 lone pairs. Nitrogen, 1 lone pair. Total is equal to 2 plus 1 equals 3 lone pairs. And for the final step, evaluate the options. A. 2, incorrect. This would only count the lone pairs on oxygen. B. 3, correct. 2 on O plus 1 on N is equal to 3 lone pairs total. C. 4, incorrect. This would overcounts the lone pairs. D. 5, incorrect. Significantly overcounts. Note, carbon and hydrogen atoms in this molecule do not contribute lone pairs under standard Lewis structure counting. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.